Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you a trick that I just learned, and it is about edge coating. So for years and years I've been looking for this trick, to this edge coating thing. So I'll buy edge coats. In fact, I've ordered edge coat from AliExpress before, like from China all the way to Nigeria. Can you imagine? Like, it's been my headache, and I will finally get the edge coat, and then it will just be like messy, really difficult to like put together. And sometimes I will have like this color blue. Now I might have like white and a dark blue from the ones I order. Then I will start adding that white together, browsing how to like mix color, what color to mix together to get a certain color. It's just so stressful, and by the time I will finally like apply it, it will now be messy after I finally get to do it. So for example, look at this one. So I edge coated this because I had like a kind of like blue color, and then I have white. So I was trying to get this color. At the end, I still wasn't able to get the color. Just look at it. Take a look at it. Look at how messy it looks. It just, I don't know if it's elevating the bag or it's spoiling the bag. It just doesn't look nice. And trust me when I tell you that the edge coat was actually very expensive and very small. I will find a way to like paint it, and will now wait for hours for it to dry. It's just like a whole lot of headache. Guys, I cracked that. Like, I literally cracked it. I want to shout on top of my voice right now, because what I'm going to show you today, you'll find it very helpful. I want to say it will blow your mind. It will literally blow your mind. Just trust me. So so here we go. This is it. So this, just look at how good that looks. Look at this, right? And look at the place I haven't done this method too. You see it's just like, just how it can look. That's the way it looks right now. And this method doesn't need edge coat. You don't need to buy anything, or you do need to buy something, but what you will need to buy is once you buy the equipment. I went to the market to check the price just before I do this video, so that I will know what to tell you, and it is actually, I think, around less than 4,000 naira. So it's very cheap compared to what he's doing. Just look at what this looks like. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to be sure of is that the edges of the bag you want to sew is really put together. So for this one, it's just a scrap that I want to use to show you, but for this one I'm using super glue to glue that edge. Just a tiny strip of super glue to glue the edge together, because we do need everything to like big together and stay together before we go and sew it. So I'm going to sew the edges now with literally like a 1/8 inch seam, just a tiny normal seam allowance I will use if I'm sewing my bag. So I will take this wax and just rub it off the edge, and then I will take a soldering iron and then rub it off the edge to give that shiny professional finished edge. And guys, that is all we have to do, and you have it. So it's very easy to do, very seamless. You can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and the other part that I've not done, you can see what it looks like. It's very, very different. And another thing I really like about this is because it's much better than store-bought bags that peel off after some times. So guys, we have come to the end of the tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye.